go. With match number 8 underway, all 6 robots moving. We got 2 L4s being scored between Rocketeers and Catbots. Meanwhile, Energy Heroes is lining up some more L4 Coral. We have 2 being scored. High Voltage scoring their second L2. Energy Heroes going up for another L4, but they miss. It's a score of 30-29, neck and neck, moving into the teleop. Still Talons lining up to get another L4. Their partners, Catbots, scoring into the L4. Energy Heroes swinging around to get another L4 score. Meanwhile, High Voltage getting some coral from the ground. Catbots scoring into the L4. Steel Talons trying to line up for the L4. Ally Obsessions is off in the blue field trying to play some defense. Meanwhile, Rocketeers trying to play defense against the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance scoring an algae into their barge and a coral in the L4. Meanwhile, High Voltage trying to line up to score in the L3. Energy Heroes lining up to get more coral to score in the L4. Steel Talons lining up to score more coral in the barge. Oh, but it falls, jumps out. Meanwhile, Catbots getting another coral into the reef. It's 62-54, neck and neck, and 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Meanwhile, Energy Heroes getting another L4 score. Steel Talons going again for another barge. Algae stays in. Catbots scoring in more coral on the reef. High Voltage trying to line up to get another coral scored on the L3. There's some defense on the Rocketeers on the red side of the field. Catbots trying to line up, but they missed. Steel Talons trying to score another coral in the L3. We're down to 58-80. It's 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining. Energy Heroes getting another L4 score. Steel Talons getting up over to get another L4 on their end. Catbots getting a score on the L3. High Voltage getting some defense, but they're grabbing coral off the floor. Energy Heroes getting another L4. It's 93-67, and less than 50 seconds remaining. Steel Talons trying to line up the score in L3. They make it. Catbots trying to line up another L4. Meanwhile, Energy Heroes doing the same. They make it. That L4 reef on the red side is filled. Meanwhile, on the blue alliance, Steel Talons trying to catch up, scoring an L4 onto their reef. Oh! Meanwhile, Ally Obsessions playing some defense against them by sticking around in their human playing taking field. Less than 20 seconds remaining. It's 112. Time for the climb. High Voltage lining up to climb on their deep cage. Energy Heroes lining up to do the same. Steel Talons coming in as well. Rocketeers trying to head back over to their side of the reef. Catbot scoring another L4. Ally Obsession is parked in their red barge. Energy Heroes trying to finish the climb. And that's the match. Final score coming up. A Red Alliance victory. The Red Alliance scoring at 141 versus the Blue at 106. The Red Alliance will be advancing to the upper bracket in round 4, match 11. Meanwhile, the Blue Alliance is still in it, moving down to the lower bracket in round